$10. I said negative $10, so you owe me $10 now.
What the fuck?
Big brain. Big brain. Big brain.
Wanna let your pick up?
Fucking brain dead! Like, what are you?
Battle Royale.
Let's land here.
Alright.
Should we land there or land at park? Which one?
Suggest you get moving.
My spot or park?
I'll think.
I don't know, what else? Where? This spot.
Well. Alright, now.
Indicating waypoint.
This is bro.
Indicating
You
waypoint.
land here with me or something.
Moving.
I got you.
Moving.
Stand by for boarding.
Tell me
Reloading.
these two spot people.
Reloading.
Targets are up. Get to work.
Nobody but Lucy. Reloading. Man, why does my
Guys have
fucking-
money?
Bro, my fart smells like cheese. Like literally, I'm just playing.
Hey, yo.
Well, that's because you're eating cheese.
Oh, the cheese pizza? I'm just playing. I didn't fart.
Stop playing bitch. I'll pick the bricks out. Yo, focus.
Pizza's overrated. I'm gonna say that right now.
Pizza?
Yeah.
No,
That's
New York
good.
pizza's overrated.
It's overrated.
What are you
Nah,
talking
nah,
about?
I'm just
New
kidding.
York pizza is good.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just
No way you
kidding.
diss New York pizza like that. Look, I was about to
No,
get every
bro,
nigga from
never.
New York and then
Never,
diss you.
cuz, never.
Nah, nigga. Yeah,
Dude, we have video evidence.
Exactly.
Wallet,
If we
bro.
win this
Nah.
game.
Bro, hopefully we lose.
Exactly.
Bro. Hopefully we lose. Bro. Hopefully we lose.
Say walla.
Nah, you better cut this shit out. You beep on that. Beep,
Yeah,
beep.
tell
Beep, beep.
I'll tell my editor cut it out.
Alright, bet. We'll clearly cut this out.
Yeah,
Wait, who's my editor?
me, nigga.
You?
Oh yeah.
Hold on. We'll clearly wink cut this out. So.
Your moms.
Ethan's your editor? Damn! He's doing it for free?
Bro. I think
I
he's
know,
sleeping.
he
for
has
Can he
Yeah,
edit
yeah.
my videos for free?
No. I mean, he hasn't edited a video in like a month.
Oh. Damn, son. Hey, I got heartbeats and so.
Tactical grenade
Can I have
spotted.
it?
It's like that. Now if I get it.
Bro, I use them way more than you. Shut your stupid ass up.
You're right, yeah.
Well, whoever just comes here, folks, that's pretty far away.
Yeah, look, you just got it.
Alright. I'm using XM4. GG's, I have it.
You wanna
Oh,
vote with the
it
whoop
looks-
it? Whoop it!
You get gay.
Dude, we almost have enough money to get a, own, yeah.
Stupid.
Yo, I miss Devin Booker playing, bro. Just playing Warzone. I miss Devin Booker playing Warzone. Is he still playing Warzone?
I know, says the one who's going for
Yeah.
the Chiefs now.
Yo, you know who's Devin Booker, right?
Yeah.
Who's going for the Chiefs, what?
Lucci's going for the Chiefs now. He says
Well,
he's
yeah,
going for
the Chiefs is actually a good team.
He said
Yo,
he's
you
going for
do
the
you know who's Devin Booker, bro? What?
No.
Oh, wait, y'all already? Dude, Lucci's like the
I'm
biggest
I'm a Bucks
bandwagon.
fan. What is you
Bucks
saying,
and
bro? I'm a
them.
Bucks fan. I ain't
Like,
saying
like
Yeah,
you're
let's
they're
go
like the biggest fan.
Florida.
Dude, you're
Fuck
still the
Florida,
biggest
so
but
bad,
if it, what's called it? If you're Florida or Kansas City
moving
Chiefs
on,
fan,
dude.
you're biggest what's called it?
Dude, both of y'all niggas
bandwagon
bandwagons, bro.
fan.
Only got
Actually,
niggas
no,
bandwagons. What are you
I
talking
actually
about?
have a reason, actually, because I'm from Florida.
What's the reason?
I thought you were born in Virginia.
Now it's waypoint
No,
cold.
Yeah.
Florida.
No, this
Born in
nigga lives
Florida.
in. No,
I
this.
was born in Florida, raised in New York, and then moved to Virginia. That's how.
He lying, bro. He was born in New York and raised in Miami, bro.
No. Here's the thing. I was born in fucking Queens. Like, no, not. Let me see.
Queen?
No, okay.
That sounds
Born
like a New York place.
No.
It is.
Shut up. Shut up. Let me speak. Let me actually speak. Okay. I was
Yeah.
born in Florida, raised in New York, in Queens, and then moved to Virginia. There you go. Oh my
He
god.
lied, bro.
Alright,
He was
so-
raised.
my
So
brain
every child predator that's watching this video, you know his history.
He lying, bro. He was raised in the Bronx, bro. He know Queens. He was raised in the Bronx.
Oh, it's over vodka, brother.
Medical supplies here.
What?
Are you actually from the Bronx? Oh shit, I don't even know.
Oh. Must get there.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
The thing I don't like is that his son always
Hey,
talking
agree.
about-
Give me that. Give me that. Stop playing me, Jay. I need that.
Lucci, you know, guys, he's always talking about, bro, I'm from New York, get bacon, egg, and cheese. That's all I hear from him. Oh, bacon, egg, and cheese. Yeah. Listen, I had no problem with it, but like, you can't be
Oscar
saying
Mike,
that's the only thing.
moving
you
to
can
collect.
do.
Bro, I was
There
going
you
to
go,
Delhi.
Daphne.
You know, every time
You got
before I
Daphne.
go to school, I always go to Delhi and get my shit. You know the vibes.
Yeah, gotcha. Alright, well, I have enough to buy a loadout, so.
Well,
Alright, bye,
actually, you
bye,
don't. All of us combined have enough.
Yeah. We're in the buy station right now, so.
So
buy
hang on,
right
I'll
now,
give you
or
my
good?
money. I'll give you my my money, and Lucha, I'll give you $500 so you can get a silver 5K.
Alright.
Give me a second.
Check your foot.
Are you guys in a fight?
No, that's
Yep. Such a bitch ass.
don't give us away like that.
Don't play me, I'll beat the
Luchi, the whole reason why my plan works a lot is because it's stealth. Something clearly you don't know.
Nah, it's
Stop
because
wasting-
your boyfriend Atchis was
Give me your money. Give me your money. Stop shooting, Flome!
No, look at the window. Look at the window, though. Look at the window. Look, it's less clear.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Okay. Luchi, here's the money.
Head for target location.
I actually brought my mission box. Oh my gosh.
Well, then don't
No, you didn't. Here's a armor,
Anyone
Luchi.
use body armor?
Yo, somebody shoots. Somebody I hear shooting.
Flome,
Hey,
give
we
him
took
the armor.
Yeah, stop playing me, I'll be that backside you.
Show your stupid ass, LJ. I'll be the dark side of you, dumbass bitch. Show your retarded ass,
Enemy
LJ.
UAV overhead.
Alright. Now, here's the fun part. We wait.
Here? Why you
We wait for like a minute.
Yeah,
Because I don't know
yeah,
what the next circuit's gonna be. Yo, look at the circle. Look at the circle. This could go anywhere.
Helicopter. Oh wait, no.
Well, that-
No,
Hey,
that's
get
not.
back.
That's not ours.
Kilo marked.
Cause it's next to a buy station.
Let's wait, and then once we find the circle, we'll have a good idea what the other circles will be too. This circle,
Buenas noches.
god damn, it could be anywhere.
Good night.
What? What?
There's no truth.
Nobody but Andrew on the finger to app. Alright, guys, we're about to start this. I have all my sugars. Oh shit! I accidentally pressed out.
Dude, they're doing it again on February 29th. I'm doing that shit again. I am doing
What?
that shit. And
Yeah.
this time,
What?
like,
What?
You were look. Okay, no, listen.
Huh?
Okay, guys, today we're gonna be doing
Your
the figure to
laptop?
app. Alright, let's read the chat. Alright, and oh shit, I lost.
Yep. Dude. Yeah.
How much money?
Such a stupid ass subject. I'll be the backside. You stop
like
playing
a-
me, Jit.
Don't you get money though if you stay on the app though, like for a certain amount of time?
Yeah. If you're like in the top 10, you're guaranteed money because Mr. Beast will start calling you and be like, "I'll give you so much money to drop out." And once he does that, I'll be like, "Okay." I'm not taking that risk for more money.
I
I get guaranteed,
gotta
like-
tell you something.
Yeah, it
For the
depends how
last
much he
time,
says.
for the
If he
last
says
time,
like
for the last time, for the
$500,
last
fuck
time, for the
no.
last time.
It has to be near the thousands. It has to be near the thousands for me to.
doing? You're winning.
Why do you keep replaying that clip? Alright, now we'll find out where we have to go.
Marking you safe.
See, look how far we got. Let's just
I'm
no, let's
sorry,
just go
bro.
next.
Dude, that shit was funny, bro. Yo.
Why we're going there? Flome. Let's not go near that. That plane scared me. I thought that was a person.
Alright, I'll be right back, man. Let's get shit. Stop playing me, Jit. I'll be the backside. You lot.
Let's just see. This is what I do in this circle. I kind of just slowly make my way to.
Hold up, I'm gonna read this up real quick.
Alright, go ahead. See, for me, I don't really need another reason. I guess money. Money would be good.
No, what?
How the fuck did you die?
Ow.
Dude, is there a
Who
team on
killed
you?
you? Who killed you?
It's behind me, wait.
Is there actually
Behind me,
behind-
cuz. Yeah, it's behind me, cuz. I need armor, cuz.
Yeah,
I need armor, cuz.
I have one.
Body armor here.
We can hold him up, we can for one. What? You
Right there.
give it one? I just said. Stop letting me tip me out.
Got him.
So good. Team wipe.
Oh, team wiped. I was wondering why I just kept shooting and. Well, Luchi, at least you lost your self-revive kid, but damn, what, like, nice clutch.
Look at this. We gotta
Nice
go.
clutch.
Give
You
him
know,
armor,
Body
give him.
armor here.
Luchi, come here.
I told you.
Here's another one. Here's another one.
Yeah, we
Armor.
Stop playing me, Jib.
Closing in.
Whoa, why was you so after you? No, it's about being a storm. It's about being a
Yo,
storm. It's about
facts.
being a
Why?
storm.
Why me? Unlucky today. I'm unlucky.
Dude, trust, I can get to
Why
the
didn't you
point.
go to... Oh, okay, fine. Go then.
What do you have to do? I bet.
I don't spin jitsu. Hiya! Shut up.
I watch Pokemon. Stop playing me.
Konnichiwa.
I'm totally forgot about the 2 claymores. I'm gonna get it too.
Stop playing me. I'll beat the brakes on you, ugly piece of shit. What
Whoop
are you
it.
talking about, ugly little nigga? Shut your bitches up with your whoop the ugly ass
Yeah,
nigga.
yeah,
I'll beat the brakes on you.
I'll
Stop
beat the
playing.
brakes out of you. Stop being me, Jit, you ugly ass piece of shit, dumbass retarded ass, dumbass pizza hoe.
I have armor. Wait, hold on. You have armor. Armor right here.
Anyone
Watch out,
need
there could
body
be people
armor?
here.
Drop all your armor
Yeah, bro.
before you pick it up, so
I have
you
no
can get
armor.
more. There's more right there if someone needs it.
Body armor.
Nope, I'm good.
Give me your money. I'm gonna buy yourself a bro.
You don't have enough money.
Of course. Cause someone wasted.
Doesn't matter. We need to find a building camping.
Alright.
It's a good building.
Why can't we rush? Just like Nick Merckx.
Because Nick Merckx is
This
actually
is-
pro at the game.
That's a hard copy.
No, cause you play on monitor. Duh, stupid.
If you wanna get close to winning, this is how I do it. I don't rush ever. I always play the defense.
Car right here.
No.
Rally point.
We need it.
Not here. I know this area way too much. No, not yet.
I'll drive it.
No, but me, we are, bros. Oh, yeah, we up.
Whooped it.
Because once again, I don't know where the circuit's gonna be.
Alright, I guess we gotta wait 2 minutes.
Moving.
Circle's very, very unpredictable. This one
Hopefully we
is.
don't die by
I
the
can't-
same way we did.
Yeah, I know. I don't really like this idea with the car. It's,
That's why we need
More
trophy
people.
system, bro. We need trophy system.
Oh, because they can't track you, right?
no.
No. So they
It just
can
makes it
explode
well.
us.
Anytime they throw a grenade or stuff, it doesn't.
It's gonna show you the explosive
Oh,
thing.
they
Yeah. That's why I fucking bet you, man. Hey,
Oh,
we
yeah.
gotta leave. I bet.
Go this house right here.
Rally point.
That boy, man, that's why you ugly as well. Ugly as the nigga. Ugly. Oh yeah. Shut your stupid ass up, bro. That's why you ugly. That's why you perm, boy. That's why you perm your hair, bro. That's why you ugly, bro. Ugly shit. Yo, green, right? His hair is perm.
Fuck yes, but that means you can't carry 2 guns. That's the downside. And you'll not ever see me switching.
Oh, that was you.
Why do you waste your ammo like that? And you
Setting
just keep.
Claymore.
It's not like I can use this. I only use M4 in this
Setting
bitch.
Claymore.
It's so good.
Got my door.
Stop playing me, Jay, but. Alright. I got this window. Hopefully I don't die.
Penis. Bitch, I'm
Fuck,
addicted to
stand up,
penis.
stand up. Because if you crouch, the problem's that they might get better headshots. Like look what I'm doing. It's gonna be harder for them to get headshots on me. And make sure you use the SMG. In the house, always SMG.
Whooped it.
Disregard left.
Bitch, I'm addicted to penis.
Alright, now we'll find out if we have to leave.
Bro, we
Most
got
likely
windows,
chance we
bro.
do.
Just gonna say-
Ready?
Close it. Get
Boom!
to
We're in the
use safe
circle still.
Do we stay here?
Alright, bet.
Yes, we
cuz-
stay here. Good. The only problem with this car coming, be prepared, be prepared, guys. Are they coming to us? No, they're not. Alright, let them
Stop
go.
playing me, Jay. I'll beat the backside. You ugly
There's
piece
one
of
guy,
shit. What did you talk
when I shoot
about?
him, I've literally pressed.
No.
Ready.
There's other cars. That guy probably has 2 people on.
Nope.
You want to
No,
shoot,
he
go
has
ahead, I
one.
guess. But I don't think it's...
Broke shields? I broke shields, bro.
Yeah, same. I lost sight. Alright, we're just staying here.
Last sight.
How much ammo?
Because then if they come back and rush us, we just can't do something stupid.
We need Vince, bro. We need us, baby, bro. That nigga's going on Warzone.
Yo, how much AR ammo do you guys have?
7.
I have 176.
Can you split at least a little bit? Because I have 38.
38, what the fuck? There you go, there's 6. And then there you go. Now I only have 80.
Thank you, bro. We're Gucci.
Yeah.
Luigi just stole like half of my ammo right there.
I need it, bro. Too good.
Ground.
You literally just said you had 100, Richie.
No, I have, no, like 6. What did I say? I have 77 now. What was that screenshot? I bet I got you.
I only have 86 now, so you're not getting any more AR ammo out of me.
Safe zone.
Are you guys
we
good
need
with
buy minutes
SMG
for
ammo?
bugs.
Let me ask this question. Are you guys good with SMG ammo?
Yeah, I have 150.
Yes.
Actually, I'm not giving you,
police.
Lucci. I'm not giving you because you like to waste that
Is it
SMG ammo
weird
the
that I
most.
play
So.
Claw on Warzone?
Look at this. Look at this over.
No, it's
oh,
not
yeah.
weird. As long as you're good, I don't give a fuck. I get this
blaming
part
you,
pretty
I'm gonna
boring,
back
but you guys gotta remember this usually gets me in the top 10, guaranteed.
Yo, Jetta, I'm gonna tell you something.
What? You smell like you fall.
Such a stupid ass idea, bro. Big ass for taking over the burnt.
All right, now this is the part we talk about dark secrets.
Alright.
Hold up. Just so they know. Which team, they need to know which team they're messing with. Hold up.
The Bolts team.
How do I do that? How do I do that?
Press up, pad.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
What happened?
I almost put a cluster strike on us.
How did you give
that
a
scared me.
close strike?
I can't drop it, you dumbass.
But then try.
The way it takes me on IG, what you said yesterday, you said you will say something that
And
will
it's not the scoping one. It's where you hit the RD pad and then you just it's a laser and then you mark it. That's easy. The other one with the stupid scope thing that took me forever on. Quiet. Scanning area. So how's everyone's day?
Chilling.
Nice.
I gotta take a shit.
No!
actually,
Why?
no,
See,
for-
this is
I gotta take
This
a
is
piss,
your
my bad.
problem! No! No! You always need to piss!
I'll be right back. I gotta do it.
Why? No!
Okay, fine. I won't do it.
Fuck off.
Show you stupid ass up.
Stand up. But whenever people come, they look at this headshot. They can't really headshot you. That's so. Most people would shoot at your dick and say your head.
Yo,
I'd rather have my head than my dick.
Listen. Wait, listen.
Dude, if this is copyright thing, I'm gonna be mad.
I swear. Listen. What do you mean?
Oh wow, you got the whole squad laughing.
Yeah.
No, listen.
I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear.
Gas is closing in.
Yo.
Relocating the
What?
safe.
No,
Like
we
that.
were so close to being the sucker.
Yo, stop
Aw.
shooting, cuz. What is this doing, bro? Who's shooting?
I'm trying to find a house. There's one here and there's one here. Which one? I don't know
Target location.
Right here.
which one.
Yes.
Flo?
Stand by for coordinates.
Which one?
The
Flo?
green
Choose
thing.
between blue or green. Which one?
Don't vote blue, cause blue is outside the circle, so I don't know what you're saying.
No, blue is in the circle.
No, let me check.
Marking rally point.
Not lie, Jay. You lie as well. Oh yeah. Blue. Yeah, cause we can take high ground.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let me get my claymores.
Yeah.
Affirmative.
I will out.
Luke,
We out.
Flo, can't hear you. Make sure no one's near this area.
Can you hear me?
Run,
Can you hear me?
nigga.
Yes, I
nigga.
can hear you.
Run,
Stop,
bitch!
don't use the car. Don't use the car. Stop,
Right
let
behind the
Closing in.
Penis.
Scan the entire time. Make sure no one sees you.
Penis.
This house, right here. Make sure no one's in here.
Nah, we clear.
Bitch, massage la movie.
We clear.
Good.
I got
Alright.
door.
Claymore.
Alright.
Claymore. That's a hard copy.
Alright, and I got
Okay,
the headshot advantage.
Oh,
Did you
we don't
put
have high
the
ground,
claymore
okay.
down? Flome, put a claymore down.
I did put
Enemy
it.
And then door.
UAV overhead.
Good?
Yo, you guys better have ghosts, bro. The ghost perk. Y'all niggas better have that.
No, I don't.
What did
Why?
I do?
Oh my.
Is that which way? Is it poke 1, 2, or 3?
2.
No, of course it's not. We have the overkill. We all do. Oh wait, no,
Alright,
you
you
don't.
should-
You have pistols
alright.
for some reason.
You should have. What's it called? You should have get. Alright, the first loadout you should get whatever you want, but the next loadout you should get with the ghost and then pick your weapons. You know what I'm saying?
This how you
Oh.
But
No,
would you rather
duh,
not have
but
two
they've been-
claymores?
So we just need to get a class with ghosts and then more claymores from. We just
Yes.
need to make a new class. Let's follow that.
Okay.
Damn, that is actually really smart.
I know. I live.
They no can track us! Oh my god!
What?
Dude, that would be so OP!
What happened?
That's the next thing we are doing after this game. Is we're creating
What?
in class.
Okay.
What you just said!
Oh yeah.
What
Oh,
you
yeah,
said
yeah.
is really smart. Now here's the problem. Is the final circle is probably gonna be in the airport. Airport's
Oh,
not
bro,
fun.
please, no, bro.
Final deployment
Okay.
loading
Yeah,
Kind of.
there's like legit 0 buildings.
Alright, that's a
Get
on
BP,
this
bro.
outside.
safe zone.
So
Hey.
you see the problem? You see the problem right now? What's gonna happen?
We're gonna have to go to
Locating
the open.
Tango.
Look at the circle. Look in the circle. I want to show you.
Headed your way.
Oh, you guys have ghosts? You can get ghosts right now.
No, I don't have any
Open.
go.
We're gonna be in the open.
I know.
We can
We
try
can
our
hide
best.
behind this rock. We can hide behind this rock.
Oh, we can
That's
hide
like-
behind the. We can hide
But
behind
while we're
one
waiting,
of
we can
these.
go in one of these
Rally point.
buildings.
Indicating waypoint. Disregard last.
You hide there,
I could-
or
Right?
Yeah, I
Like,
guess.
wait, we can, Flome, we can go underground going in that area. We can
Oh,
go
really?
underground.
We gotta go right now, then. We gotta go right now. Come on.
stop playing legit.
You get all your claymores.
I got all my claymores, yeah.
Okay. Make sure no one's in this barn right here. Scanning.
Stop
We
playing
failed. They
legit.
could-
We out. We out, legit.
Lucci, get the thing for us. You can get it. It's literally right in front of us. Or get our loadouts, actually. Oh.
Get ghosts. That's what I'm saying. Get the ghosts.
We don't
I
have,
don't have
I don't
it,
have
yeah,
any
we don't
flash
have it.
focus.
Alright, where we go? Right
This
here.
way,
to the right.
this way.
What are you doing? There ain't no mountain. It's just
No, the
No,
big
we're
ass
trying to go
hole.
underground.
underground. Oh, we are.
Overhead.
Wait, underground.
Scanning.
What
Just
is
dive in,
this?
just dive in.
I know. No, this chest isn't looted.
What is
We have it
this?
for ourselves. We have it for ourselves then. Okay, hurry up.
For now. At least this area.
We gotta find.
Oh!
Enemy soldier in.
Putting in Claymore at this door right
trophy
here.
system. Grab that, yeah.
I got
Ow.
trophy.
I'm with Lucci. We gotta find a camping spot here, but like, oh, there's a bunch of
Yeah.
Man, nobody looted here, damn.
I know. Oh, thank God, Flome, we discovered this place.
Damn, I didn't even know
Wait,
about
hold
this.
up, I'm
What
gonna
the
put a
fuck?
proximity mine over here. Hold up. Front door right here.
Ladder on me.
Gas is inbound.
Ah.
Come here.
No,
There's
Lucci's good. And he's near the ladder, so we're technically safe too.
Bro,
Should I go
hopefully
get
there's no
my the
people.
Claymore Flome or no?
Weapon?
Yes.
I'm gonna get my
finally.
Claymore. Give me a second.
Enemy recon drone in
Come
your
here, guys. Come
area.
here.
Come in.
What up, Jit? What's wrong? So scared.
Where the fuck are you at?
We're hiding in this.
Oh, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Just keep going. Oh, the problem
door
is
right
I
here?
don't have gas mask.
I have.
What do you mean?
Gas mask. Alright.
I don't. But here's the thing. We're still in the circle.
Gas is closing in.
Okay, so we're kind of fucked. We're kind of fucked. If we don't get
Yeah.
last
No,
zone.
that.
You think?
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
We'll have
guys,
to
bro.
run out the last second. I have a cluster strike
You want
and
me to place the trophy system here?
shit. Yes.
Hey, definitely. Close the door.
I've got your
Close the door.
Gas mask there.
The gas mask.
We should go.
No.
Make sure
Look,
you
there's
go
trophy
down the ladder if anything. If we're going down that way.
system. I wanted to put the trophy
Watch
system.
people-
So
Scanning. I don't detect
White
anyone.
people be here, bro. We just jumped that.
Wait, was that guy knocked or?
We really did, bro. We raped him. He's like, this area's gonna be safe. Did you open the door?
No, just a chill.
Close it,
Chill out, bro.
close it. Don't fall in that hole, though.
You heard
Don't
the
be like a
grenade? You heard
dumbass
that
like I did.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe
I have
zone.
gas mask, so we're Gucci.
no.
They're doing grenade. You hear too. There's people to the left. Our left. There's people to our left. The teammates. That's his teammate.
Listen. There's only one building left in the circle, and we're nowhere
Alright.
near it. We're gonna.
So we gotta play smart, I guess.
10 remaining.
I know. We got to go soon. So how are we gonna do this?
Fuck it. We just shoot while running.
Get back inside.
Got him.
Go.
Allied cluster strike inbound.
Go. I'm good. Please need money.
Get behind the rocks!
I know!
Lucci, don't go to that building, please!
I won't. I'm gonna try
Come
kill
with
people.
us, come with us, Lucci.
Yeah, hold on. Wait, hold on. Shh.
5 remain. Stay
Good one.
sharp.
Two more.
Putting arm on.
I got knocked. I'm still reviving.
He's on me. That nigga's on me.
Okay.
Engaging you.
Boom.
Gas inbound.
Save you, so revive. I downed one.
Hold on. Stop. That's the last nigga.
You've got gas.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Lucy, save the last 2 minutes! Lucy, you better record the last 2 minutes!
Oh no, I didn't.
No, just go to record the last 2 minutes!
Alright.
Go try and do it, my child! Look at my strategy! It got us a win! Let's go!
How many kills I had?
Ah, Boats Clan! Hope you guys enjoyed that video, guys. We all got 2 kills. Let's go!
Just stop playing me, Jay. All you guys want to talk about bitches.